How to add voiceover in Vita. First of all, open the app on your device and create a new project or open an existing one. Once your video is loaded onto timeline, tap on the sound option from the editing tools. Next, select record. You will see a recording interface where you can record directly into your video. Tap the record button and speak clearly to record your narration. You can pause, stop or redo your recording until you are satisfied with the result. After recording, the voiceover will appear as a separate audio track on the timeline. You can adjust its position, volume and duration to synchronize it perfectly with your video visuals. Preview your project to make sure the narration matches the scenes smoothly. Once everything is set, save your changes and continue editing or export your video. Now you know how to add voiceover in Vita. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.